Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox the Tronsmart Element Mega. It's a 40 watt, yes, very loud Bluetooth and also NFC speaker. So you can see that it's really nicely designed, going all the way around. It has beautiful pictures, and the way that this box is created, it gives you a really nice presentation when you want to unbox it, just like what we're doing right now. And the components that are part of this is the Tronsmart speaker itself. Also comes with a little package. Inside of that package you will see a little USB charging cable, which is micro USB to regular USB 2.0. Also, it comes with a little auxiliary cable, so that way one side connects to the speaker itself, and also the other side connects to your devices that does not have Bluetooth, so this way you can take advantage of it. It also comes with a user manual. Alright, so let's put everything aside. Let's take a look on the Tronsmart 40 watt Bluetooth speaker itself. We'll take it out of the sleeve, as you can see, and then going around it, it is speaker built all the way around this. And on top of that, we haven't found any other speaker yet that we have our own that is loud as this. And I want to mention a few things. Going on top of it, there is some buttons. It starts from the mode, then you have the rewind, also you have the play and pause, and the fast forward or skip to the new music. And then you do have the little NFC button on top, so you can click on it and it can connect it to your phones, and this way you can connect it automatically without using your Bluetooth. Going a little bit in the bottom, you do have the volume control, and yes, it is touch sensitive. And on top of that, once you turn it on, all the way the top part will light up few seconds. Going to the back part of the Bluetooth speaker, you do have some little connections. You have the auxiliary connection, which is called line in, and then right beside that you have the power switch. Yes, it is not a power button. This makes it a lot easier for you to turn it on or turn it off. And beside that you have a micro USB connection. This way, if you have MP3s or your songs are on a micro USB, you can connect it to this, and very easily from the top buttons you can maneuver and play your songs. Right beside that is the micro USB connection. That's how you're going to charge it, and this is fast charger. Going into the bottom part of it, there's nothing, just two legs, so it can stand up. And going all the way around, you can see that it's just speakers, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and turn it on. The little button, we will turn it on, and then you can see on the top that the lights just comes on, and we want to pair it using our LG V20. You can see that how easy it was. It's automatically very fast. It start pairing, and it makes a little noise like that to pair. That's it. Now let's play some songs on this. I have to again mention, while we're playing the songs in the background, that it is very loud, and you can hear it right now. One more thing with this: if you have two of them, yes, you can pair two of them at the same time, and it will work even better. If you have any questions in regards to this Tronsmart Bluetooth speakers, please drop them at the bottom of this video. And if we did miss something talking about this, please go ahead and drop them at the bottom of this video. Beside that, make sure to like our video and also subscribe to us if you haven't done that. It really motivates us and helps us out to grow in this community. Plus, we will be placing some links where you can order this Tronsmart speakers from. There are a lot of reviews about this speaker out there, but I hope that ours was a little bit different and unique to show you guys how this really works. Except that, thank you.